أكبر الله أكبر.
And Allah says, I will reward you if you reach out to them, whether they are Muslim or not, whether they are your race or not, whether they are your nationality or not. Allah says, I will reward you for reaching out to another human being. At the time of need, reach out to them. كان الله في عون العبد ما كان العبد في عون أخيه. Allah, His help will continue to be with a person or a slave who is continuing to help another. If you are helping another person, Allah will always help you. If you want the love of Allah, reach out to others with a love. Allah did not send you and I on earth to hate each other, to kill each other, to fight each other. Allah did not send you and I to the dunya to live a life of hatred, of fighting, killing, destroying. No, Allah sent us here to build. Allah sent us here to show that we are good character, we are good conduct. خِيَارُكُمْ أَحَاسِنُكُمْ أَخْلَاقًا. The best from amongst you are those who have the best character, the best conduct, the best morals, the best values. If you have that, you are the best of humankind. So Allah sent you and I here in order to prove that we are the best possible version of who I am. I call on you, my brothers, my sisters, to search your heart, to remove from it the malice, the hatred, the jealousy, the envy, the dirt that is in the heart. Subhanallah. May Allah cleanse us and purify us. Even if someone is doing something wrong, think about your own child or your own brother. If they were doing something wrong, would you not correct them with love? If your child happens to urinate on your lap or in the public, if your child happens to mess or vomit, may Allah protect all of us, in the aircraft or in the motor vehicle or in the mall, what will you do? What will you do? That is your child. You might smile if you're a good parent. You will be happy to say, my child is okay. They were not injured. They were not damaged. It's okay, they made a mistake. Children will make mistakes. We will correct them. We will help them. When they grow older, they will not make the same mistakes, inshallah.
الله أكبر الله